Guys, it is my first Christmas at Walt Disney World. We're going to Disney World! Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Amana and we are going to Walt Disney World for Christmas for the first time, and I am so stoked. I am a little tired. I probably look like it. I woke up at like 4 a.m. this morning. We actually leave tonight and I'm not packed. I wanted to make sure I made this pack with you because I didn't do it in my last series, and I want to show you guys everything that I'm bringing for Walt Disney World for Christmas. I am super excited. I am a Disneyland local, so I have been to Disneyland for Christmas time, and I'm very excited to see what the similarities and differences are. I'm very excited to see the decorations and go to Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. I'm so excited for it all. But if you love anything Disney, travel, DVC, we talk about it all on this channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. But we have less than 4 hours to get this together, and I still need to find 2 outfits. So I'm going to walk you through everything that I'm going to be packing. I also want to give you a little itinerary update because if you've seen my plan with me, you could probably tell the chaos that was going on, and it was very chaotic. So I want to give you guys a little itinerary update, and then we will get to packing, and then we'll off to the airport. So first with the itinerary update. So I decided not to do the annual pass. I just felt like I was stressing myself out about it because I definitely want it, but I had a major shift in my work schedule, so we had to reevaluate our plans for the year for Walt Disney World. So that is tentatively on hold until I know for a fact that I will be going to Walt Disney World enough next year to buy the annual pass. If not, we have more years to go. I am a DVC member. I have been a DVC member since 2024, so I think that I can figure out how to save some money on some tickets. I did it last year, or well, this year for my first full year, but I decided not to do the annual pass. So we're keeping all of our park days the same, but we are still going to do the resort day. I wanted to keep that because I didn't want to stress myself out about the resort day. I really wanted to see all of the Christmas decorations because we don't have anything like that here at Disneyland, so I definitely wanted to make that a priority. So what I ended up doing was I bought a lightning lane, or individual lightning lane, for Flight of Passage because I'm gonna have breakfast at BOMA, which I was not giving that up. I absolutely love Animal Kingdom Lodge. Like, I'm obsessed with it now. And we're gonna head over to Animal Kingdom, get on Flight of Passage to have some time pass because I want to do the resort crawl a little bit closer to the evening-ish time. So I want to do a full little boardwalk crawl and then head over to the monorail loop and do a full monorail crawl, and then we'll call it a day. So that was like the major thing that I needed to put together in terms of my itinerary. But let's get into this packing because we have some things to do. So I'm going to pull up my notes app here. And I usually put all of this in my vacation planning tool, but I couldn't do that right now. I'm like, my brain is everywhere. So I have 2 categories. I don't like to list like toiletries and things like that, and I will show you why, because I already have like a dedicated toiletry bag that I just replenish. And then my makeup doesn't really change. I rarely wear makeup. Like, I probably have like bags under my eyes right now, but that's neither here nor there. So I have my outfits, and then I have a Disney list, and I just need to make sure I have both of these because some things for Disney, like, I just can't live without. So for my outfits, I'm gonna move over, put it right here for you guys. So I have Friday morning Magic Kingdom because I take a red eye and I get in Friday morning, and then we're gonna do Mickey's Very Merry Christmas at night. And then Saturday we're gonna do Disney Springs. So I want to go to Jock Lindsay's Hangar Bar. I have reservations at Homecoming for brunch, so we're gonna do a whole little Christmas tree stroll thing like that. So I just need a little outfit to get through my day. Then at night we're heading to Jollywood Nights. Very excited about that. I was gonna dress up, but I just time passed me, so we couldn't get there. We couldn't do it. Then Sunday is a full Epcot day. I have that entire day dedicated to Epcot. Very excited about that. And then Monday is my resort hop day, so we'll go to Animal Kingdom after we go to Boma, and then we'll resort hop. And then Tuesday we go to Magic Kingdom and we go home. So I don't leave until I think like 7 or 8. So I have a full list of lightning lanes for Magic Kingdom. So if you want to see that, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because we're riding some rides this time. Typically I like to walk around and just be leisurely, but we're riding some rides this time. I'm very, very excited about that. Then for my Disney list, this one isn't too long. So I have my ears, which we need to decide if we're gonna bring more or not. Sounds crazy, but I think I have 4 laid out. My light up lanyard, so I always buy this like light up lanyard for Christmas every year. Gus, I will show you him. Very, very excited about him. My magic band, which is already packed. My Santa Mickey bag, I got this at Disneyland and I'm obsessed with it. I like love these big faced character bags. My fan, because I still get hot. Like, it might be cold to the Floridians, but like I get hot there. So I went in February, which I think is about similar to the temperature, but it was hot. But it gets cooler at some point, so I am prepared for both weathers. And then portable charger and my park bag. So I have a regular park bag. Something also that I like to do is look at the weather. So this is what the weather is going to look like when we are out there. So it looks pretty decent. 76 is not too bad. 79, 75, 78. Ooh. Yeah, it's like high 70s, which here that's a little warm. Like, I don't need sweaters, but the thing is I literally only have sweaters for the winter time. So I'm gonna bring some tank tops and some sweaters so that I could just take the sweater off if it gets hot. So I think I pretty much have all of this ready. It's just my outfit. So I found my Magic Kingdom morning. Oh, actually I needed my Mickey's Very Merry Christmas outfit. So I'm just gonna wear, I always wear this like plaid Christmassy type of like sweater. I always wear that for Christmas. I love wearing it when I go to Disney for Christmas. But I'm gonna wear that and some leggings and just be very comfortable because I wanna rip and run around. I do. I'm so stoked. I'm so excited. And then we need to figure out what we want to do with Jollywood nights, because I'm going to wear pajamas. I have my Star Wars pajamas and I'm going to show you guys that in a little bit, but I don't have a jacket that matches or like is like cohesive because they're Star Wars Darth Vader pajamas, but my Darth Vader jacket is red and the pajamas are blue. So I might just still wear it, but it's like they're 2 different vibes, 2 completely different vibes. So you guys can see it's chaotic. We don't have that much more time, but we're gonna get this done. So I'm gonna lay everything out on the bed to see where we are, and then I will circle back with you guys once we do that. Okay, so I think I was able to get all of the clothes together, and I feel like I am missing ears, and I just don't know like if I want to bring more or not. So I'm just going to show you guys. Please ignore the disaster my room looks like, because this is just how my brain is functioning and we don't have much time left. Okay, so I have every piece of my clothing item that I'm going to be wearing in the parks here, and then like this disaster of nonsense just over there. So we'll go over that in a minute, but these are going to be my clothes for my trip. So starting up top, that's going to be what I wear to Magic Kingdom in the morning, and then Mickey's Very Merry Christmas. And then this is Jollywood, and this is what I was talking about when it comes to my outfit. So I think I just fully decided to not wear the Darth Vader because it's blue, and like the red in the jacket is like a deep red. This looks like orange in the camera, but this is like a very bright red. Like it's a very deep red. Like it kind of resembles this a little bit, and I feel like this looks nice, but like I don't know, now that I have it together, it actually might not be too bad. Let me go get it and let's go see. Okay, so this is my Darth Vader Revenge of the Sith jacket. So like I was saying, it was just like really red, but now that I see them together, it doesn't look too bad. So this is what, oh, that doesn't look too bad. I feel like it's just the pants. So let me show you the pants. So the pants are just completely blue. Like they have little hints of red in it. I think that that'll be fine. Can you guys see? I think that should be okay. I think we'll bring it. And then if not, I just will throw on that plaid shirt again and call it a day. I think it should be okay. It's just like, when I was envisioning them separately, it just did not look like it was going to go, but I think it should be okay. Okay, back to this. So that makes me feel a little better because I was gonna bring this one, but I feel like that's just gonna take up so much space in my suitcase. So that's gonna be, right here is gonna be for Jollywood nights. And then up there we have Epcot. Over there we have our Monday outfit, and then this is our Tuesday outfit. I'm just gonna wear my leggings that I wore the other day. So I think we're set to go. Now on to this disaster. Okay, so we moved over and transitioned to the floor so I can show you guys all of the little accessories and little things that I'm gonna bring in this disaster of a suitcase. So I literally just threw everything that I knew I needed over here. So one thing that I definitely want to bring, I bought this blanket because I feel like the blankets at Disney are just so thin, and they're not like, they're rough to me. Like they feel like sheets, and I feel like I don't sleep well there. So I bought this blanket just to have. It's their Christmas blanket at Disney. So I think that this is so cute. I'm gonna throw it, like, I don't know, I'm probably gonna carry it. I don't know what I'm gonna do because I want to have it on the plane with me. But this was the Mickey Santa bag that I was telling you guys about. I just love these big faced characters. They're just so cool. It holds this, like, so much stuff. The only thing about it is I don't like that this isn't long enough for me to kind of like throw over my neck, but that's like the cutest thing ever. Then we have our light up lanyard. So this is the lanyard I was talking about. Just lights up and does like different variations. I think that this is so cool. I always get it every Christmas, like whatever one that they have for the year. I still have my other one. I should probably bring that one too. And then I have this Mickey Santa bag charm. So this one is just so stinking cute. I'm so excited for this to have on my bag, to just go around with me everywhere I go because he's just so stinking cute. Now, my prized possession. Oh my goodness. He's so cute. I am so obsessed with him. They came out with him and I immediately ran down to Disneyland. I live like 20 miles from Disneyland, so that day it took me an hour and a half to get there just for him. Oh my god, he's so stinking cute. I was so obsessed with him. He's so cute. So he's just gonna be on my shoulder all week and very excited about that. But also some other things that I have to do before I leave. So I always buy lash clusters so I don't have to wear mascara, like, because I just feel like you never can get mascara fully off. Like, if you know, you know. Like, just let me know in the comments, is mascara like your #1 op? Like, I just feel like it just never comes off. And then I got these press-on nails. I'm probably gonna do this next. Maybe do my lashes first, but I'm gonna do this next and then put them on. They have this really pretty red color that I like, and I always get this brand. It's called BT Art Box Nails. These are so durable. Like, look at how pretty that red is. Such a pretty color. So I always get some little press-ons. I have like a whole little kit, so because I don't have $300 to do my nails and eyebrows and all that stuff. Like, I don't have that in me anymore. So I definitely want to get that done. And then for the rest of the pack with me, I want to show you guys, this is my like go-to park bag. So this stuff like never changes out. Like, I literally just keep all of this stuff in here. I kind of live out of this throughout the entire year if I need to. So this is all of my electronics. Every single electronic you can think of I have in here when it comes to like my vlogging and like Disney, all of that. My fans, chargers, cords, everything is in here, and it stays in here because I have a set just for travel. Everything else is like kind of just scattered throughout my house, but this doesn't change. Like, we'll kind of pull things out. So I have like a fan. This is for my SD card for me to go ahead and post this while I'm out there, this video. And then this is like my external drive. I have a poncho in here, some liquid IVs. This is not electronics, but that's just thrown in there. My magic band. I think I'm gonna actually put this in my travel backpack so that I have that ready. I literally have like 4 portable chargers because I cannot go anywhere without a portable charger. I actually just recently bought a new one, and where is that one at? I have a love-hate relationship with it. So it's like one of those MagSafes. Like I can't get, oh, here we go. I think maybe because I was like, I couldn't see. Okay. It doesn't fully charge my phone, so I think it just might be this brand. So I think I like it. I like that my phone, I don't have any cords on me, so I think I might just get another type. Oh, I didn't know there was a lighter in here. Can't have that going to the airport. But yeah, so that's literally like everything electronic wise and just that I travel with stays in this bag. Like I don't ever take it out. So that's why I don't really make a list for it, because I know that it's in there and it hasn't moved. Now this one is like my mini park bag. So this has like all of my essentials in it. One thing I have to change out is it's in my fanny pack. I have to put my hand sanitizer in there, but I always have like a tissue. I have some hand wipes and some feminine wipes. And then I also have my phone stand. So this is how I take photos of myself, because you can't bring like those big tripods that I have you guys on right now. And then I also have Mega Babe thigh chafe stick. So this really helps when it comes to that. I literally cannot go to the parks without this. Like it just has everything that I need. And like with this not having like a specific compartment that I can put that in, I don't like all of that stuff kind of rummaging around. So I always just keep one that's packed, ready to go for when I go to the parks. I don't leave without this. So yeah, so I'm gonna throw all of this into a packing cube and then throw it into my bag, because I'm pretty much done. Like I'm so glad that it wasn't like extensive and I didn't need to pack so much stuff, because this is a real like chill trip. Like I'm so excited to run around Disney World. But let's go ahead, throw everything in a packing cube and then try to get it into the suitcase, and then we're gonna do our lashes and nails, and then I will follow up with you guys after. Okay, this was a little bit more packed than I wanted it to be. Like I have no real space. I mean, I could figure some things out if I were to like grab some things, but I think it's going to close. That's the main thing. Okay. Whew, all right, it closed. Hopefully it's not overweight. But now we're gonna do my lashes and then my nails, and then we will be finished. And we're finished. I just did my lashes. I don't know if you guys can see. They're really subtle. I really like that. They just give me a little elevated look so I don't look as tired. I'm still extremely exhausted, but these are my nails. They came out so good. These are stunning. I absolutely love that brand. I think they're so good. I've been using them for a while, so like I'm just gonna keep using them, and I hope that they come out with, you know, more colors and like a full nail color, all that jazz. So thank you so much for watching. I know that this was chaotic and it wasn't aesthetic or anything. This is my regular life. Like I am so busy right now with work and life, and I just didn't have the time to pack this time. So thank you guys so much for staying tuned. Next time you guys are gonna see me, I'm gonna be at LAX. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and put those post notification bells on so you don't miss all the action for my very first Christmas at Walt Disney World. I am so excited to take you guys along, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.